What's this?
Got a call from Lodi. A black Rover was jacked from a sports bar last night. Take Fane to see if anybody saw anything.
We both know who was driving that SUV.
We got no positive ID.
This relationship you have with Clay, I don't like it. But I get it. You make a deal with the devil to keep the peace. But look at this. Look at what we let happen. An innocent woman killed.
I didn't let that happen.
You're right. It's on me. What was I supposed to do? Roll over and feed Sam Crow classified